Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.47. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.79%. This equates to an average return of 0.11% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper segment of a wide and weekly rising trend in the short term. This scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $548.47 would initially suggest a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5.73% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 8.27% to positive 5.89%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 4.83%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between negative 11.78% and positive 9.36% over the next year. In practical terms, this forecast suggests a future price somewhere between $483.13 and $598.94. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for VOO ETF. After losing approximately 0.0639%, the VOO ETF price fell by approximately 0.0639% on the last day, Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025. Dropping from $548 to $547.65. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.403%, ranging from a day low of $547.44 to a day high of $549.65. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, and there has been a gain of 0.5% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased alongside the ETF, which is actually a favorable sign, as volume should trend with the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 581,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.41 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 2.88%, or $16.25, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 is currently trending near the 6,000 mark, highlighting a resilient market despite challenges including tariffs and concerns in the bond market. Recent news indicates that strong earnings from S&P 500 companies are helping to bolster VOO's position, keeping it steady, even amid softer job data. On the growth front, there's speculation that market-favored stocks like AppLovin and Robinhood may soon join the S&P 500, potentially driving investor interest, as inclusion can lead to price surges. Further supporting bullish sentiment, Deutsche Bank has raised its year-end forecast for the S&P 500 to 6,550 from a previous target of 6,150. This adjustment may enhance investor confidence in VOO, as many look to capitalize on the index's forward momentum. Additionally, predictions of targets within the 6,100 to 6,200 range reinforce a sense of optimism, suggesting that the potential for price appreciation may be on the horizon. In the short term, these developments could lead to a surge in buying activity around VOO, especially if market conditions remain favorable. Long-term, the continuation of strong economic fundamentals and corporate earnings could position VOO well, appealing to both growth and stability-oriented investors. As these narratives unfold, VOO's price movements will likely reflect the overall health and investor sentiment surrounding the S&P 500. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $544.03 and $522.06. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 3, 2025, and the ETF has since experienced a decline of approximately 0.0639%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund identifies support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $499.10 and $465.52. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support threshold. In this scenario, VOO has support just below today's level at $499.10. Should this level be breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $465.52 and $463.56. Typically, this ETF is traded at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is perceived to be low. Over the past day, ETF fluctuated by $2.21, which is a change of 0.403% between its high and low. Throughout the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.03%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $548. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $526.49, reflecting a decrease of 3.86%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of June, we expect VOO to open higher by nearly 0.6%, starting at $548.25. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly encourage you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.